All players, pack in your jersey, please.
Bro, wala po.
Yung nag-aaway may nakaaway kurang pa yung desa.
Ako, lumapit ka ako, huwag kayo sa ilalim.
Ano ba? Ah, may nawa siya.
Jaco! Sa labas ka lang! Huwag ka pumasok sa ilalim!
Yes! Bang, bang.
25.
Wala na gapo. Ano saan na yun ba? Wala ka ba? Wala lang. Wala lang. Low. Low. Ano ba tayo? Nani?
Jaco, kumuha ka ng bola. Harap!
5-2. Our score 5-0. 8 minutes.
Jaco! Dito ka sa labas, huwag ka pumasok. Masik ka ka! Side!
Our score 5-0. Al-Watba. Rumbling violation. Eight minutes. Nakapul.
Ang bulim na yun.
Sa likod. Rebound, Pereza. Short again. Buko. Buko drive. Yes, on Buko. Five against two. Al-Watba.
Ay, ikaw!
Pereza. The frogman. Too strong.
Go!
Rebound, Electra. Frogman now.
One down! Go! Gusto daw sumali sa murtiyawan mo.
7 minutes. 5-2 our score. Balitan.
Baka magtawalan tayo sa...
Luperos. Balitan again. In and out. The frogman. Wow. Foul on number 0.
Second team foul.
Anas. Second team foul. Electra. First on Anas. Six minutes. Wala.
Ay, hindi. Bata nga daw.
Rugman. 6-2. 4-point lead on Al-Watba. Yes, coast to coast on
Oh, bola!
Balitan.
Gusto!
GM. Foul. Foul on Pereza. First on Pereza, first team foul. Al-Watba. Buko. 5 minutes 30 seconds. Pereza. Yes, on Pereza. 8-2. 10-2. 8-point lead on Al-Watba. 5 minutes. Anas. Rebound on Share to back to Share all alone. Too strong. Wow, rebound MJ. Coast to coast. Drive. Nice move by
MJ, third, 4-10. 6-point lead on Al-Wasba.
Shot.
Now, rebound. Cadiz. Cadiz, yes, on Cadiz. 5-10. Out.
Kuya. Yala yan.
Freeze.
Oo.
Freeze. Freeze.
Boss! Easy lang.
Intercepted by Buko. MJ. Black. Intercepted by Pereza. Pereza now. Pereza to Prayman. Nice pass. Short by Aquino. Aquino again. Rebound on Cadiz.
Si Babartik ka sa amin lang, oh, ginilap.
Prayman. To share. Balitaan. Drive. Coast to coast. Yes, on share. 12-5. 7-point lead on Watba.
Ang taon mo.
Short, Buko. Again, in and out. Buko again rebound.
Rebound!
Anas, 10 to shoot. Bang! Oh, FJ. 8-12. 4-point lead now on Al-Watba. 3 minutes.
Tayo mo, ka?
14 to shoot. Pereza. Short. To Cadiz. Cadiz all alone. Short. Rebound on Pereza. Pereza now. Rayman. Short air ball. Timeout on Al-Watba. Two minutes, 30 seconds. LJ. 12-8. Anas. Too strong. Rebound on Aquino. Stepping on the line. On Electra. Share. 2 minutes. Pereza. A ball. Rebound by Buko. Yeah. Cadiz now. In and out. 1 minute 45 seconds.
Ano laro niyo? May laro kayo? May laro kayo?
Foul number.
Kabila.
Hindi to. Number 3.
Foul on number 3. LM. First on Electra. Person LM. 1 minute 38 seconds.
13 foul.
13 foul on Electra. Our score 12-8. 4-point lead on Al-Watba. Not again.
Foul number 3.
Foul again on number 3 on Electra. Warning for penalty on Electra. Timeout on Electra.
Ito yung ano mga allergies mo? Opening?
Buntag. Bumunta mo ka.
10-2.
Hindi mo buntag.
Coach Rolex ha?
10-2. Abayan ko ba? Opening.
Coach Rolex. Take a seat.
1 minute 27 seconds.
Hindi na.
Pereza.
Hindi na, pero makaya naman. Mahabol naman sa oras ng hobi ko.
Kahit yung dulo pa rin.
Oh, hindi.
Buko. Buko to Cadiz. Oh, turnover. Turnover on Electra. 1 minute.
Sabi ko.
Share.
Water district. Boss.
God.
Water district.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, chill! 15-8. 7-point lead on Al-Watba. Buko, 50 seconds. Foul on Oliveros. Oliveros now. Pass to share. Looking for Pereza. Pereza, elbow jumper, favorite shot. In and out, rebound Aquino. 35 seconds. Frogman. In and out, rebound by Anas. Anas to LM. It's 2-1. LM stop pump. Pull out jumper. Oh, too strong. Rebound by Cadiz. Cadiz fake. Cadiz drive. Cadiz. Again, rebound on Cadiz. Cadiz.
Good job. Good.
10 seconds. And now for first quarter score, 15-8. 7-point lead against Al-Watba. Balitan to Sacro. Wow! What a shot coming from Sacro! 18-8, 8-17. 9-point lead now Al-Watba. Buko. Buko drive, pass, LM. Open jump. To stroke. Anas short. Ibabayaw Sacro. Sacro now. Sacro. Drive, coast to coast to Balitaan. Balitaan, yes! On Balitaan! 19-8, 9 minutes. Wow! Resetted. Balitaan now to Umakob. Umakob. Yes! On Umakob. 21-8.
Easy lang, easy. Tingnan tayo.
Anas. GM. Too strong. Rebound again on. Nice fake. Anas. Nice pass. Bako. Buko. Oh, shot! Buko again. To GM. You're not 8 minutes 30 seconds. 21-8. Oh, he's steal by Anas. Buko. Yes, on Buko. 10-21. Oh, it's still by LM. LM now to Buko. Same spot. Yes, on Buko.
Sheriff. 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 Yes. Yes, 7-9. No. After finish 7-9, we'll 7. Yes. Okay. Yeah. I'm working now. No, wait for me 9 o'clock, huh? Come.
14-21. Buko. Oh! 7 minutes 30 seconds. Bang! One. Reyes. 23-13. Back to 10-point lead on Al-Watba. 24-13. 11-point lead on Al-Watba. 7 minutes. Cadiz. 24-14. Cadiz! What a move coming from Cadiz. 24-16. 8-point lead on Al-Watba. Umakob. Drive. Pass to sa spot. Reyes! Air ball. Rebound Electra. Buko. PM shot. Yes! Oh, 18-24. 6-point lead now. Al-Watba. Nice move. Mahog. Big Maldi. Big Jason. Big Daddy. 26-18. Back to 8-point lead on Al-Watba. 6 minutes. Anas. Too strong. Rebound by reigning MVP. Nice steal. Nice intercepted by Cadiz. 5 minutes 50 seconds. 25 to 28.
Kasi sila, sabi at saka dyan.
10 to shoot. In and out. Rebound by Bugo. Anas. JM to Bugo. Bugo. Too strong. Rebound by Omaho. Nice pass. Balitaan. 28 to 18. 10-point lead na Alwat ba? 5 minutes.
Easy only. Don't waste your energy.
JM. Nice pass. LM. Pass to JM. Foul. Foul on Reyes.
First foul.
First personal foul against Reyes. First team foul. Alwat ba? 10-point lead against Alwat ba? 28 against 18. Bonus throw on GM. On Adi. Short. Iwan by Bugo. Yes, on Bugo. 28 to 20. Back to 8-point lead on Alwatba. Omahu. Reyes. Black by Bugo. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Omahu. 10 to shoot. Adi. To Kalis.
Dalawa.
Oh! In and out. Iba by Bugo. Yes, on Bugo. 28 to 22. 4 minutes. Back to 6-point in Alwat pa. Sacro. Omago to Reyes. Fake. Isitay. Yes, on Reyes. 30 to 22. 3 minutes 30 seconds. Short. Alwat pa ball. Alwat pa.
Ayaw niya sa ano na. Ayaw niya eh. Sabi niya kayo. Bigay.
In and out. Omaho. Big! Move! Wow! Jump ball. 3 minutes. Same ball.
Bihira lang yun, bro.
Same ball. Big Daddy. 10 to shoot. Sacro, short. Rebound on Electra. Elliot Jerm. Adi, stop, pump. Again, in and out. Rebound on Caris. Yes, on Caris. 24 to 30. 6-point lead on Alwatba.
Solar boy.
14 to shoot. Reyes. In and out. Rebound by Adi. Adi to Caris. Adi, side step. Your step. Foul.
Number 6.
Foul number 6. Time out.
Second team
On Alwatba. Second team foul on Alwatba.
First foul.
Caris. Nice. Intercepted by Sacro. Sacro to Balitaan. Yes, on Balitan. 32-25, back to 7-point lead on Al-Watba. 2 minutes. Ali. Time out on Electra. 32-25, 7-point lead against Al-Watba.
This is 100 you have. How much? 50. No, how much all the take? Take one set or just how much? One set. How much it cost? 1.5. Huh? You have 100? No, how much? How much I will pay? How much you take? You take all? No, how much they take? One set, 150. One set, how much they take all? One set, 100. You take. Okay? 100, how much I will? 55 plus t-shirt. Oh, okay.
Foul.
Foul number 11.
Foul on number 11.
13 foul per
On Makob. 13 foul Al-Watba.
One set.
65 plus 340. 104. 5. 105 plus 30 taxi.
Take one set.
Wait, I give it up.
You want one set?
I give
One
it up.
set.
Wait. Upset me. 3-second violation. 3-second violation. Number 6. I give it up.
Huh?
Third quarter. 1 minute.
How much total?
Pwede na ako magamit ang usang buwan.
Bayar lagi pa bayar.
135.
Bayar. Si si Anas lang. Ano siya? Oh. So may paggamit mo. Asa man jersey niya? Si Hana?
Adi, sa kato ng kapasabay.
Yes, son! Numako! Bang, bang, bang! 35-25.
Spy pa lang.
35-25. 10-point lead by Al-Watba. Nice pass.
Isipin nila.
27-35. 30 seconds. Steal, Sacro. Umako pick. Ako Sacro. Yes, son! Sacro. 37-27. Back to 10-point lead on Al-Watba. Technical foul on Sacro.
88. Ato sa foul.
Kasi may pakuha naman jersey yan agad.
Kanigang sa kong sa hapon ito, wala ni kapura
Sino ba yan?
Sila.
Labas.
Ay na siya, kung di ko nihatag.
Yata, inas ako.
Ha? Bakit?
Laping.
Technical foul on Sacro.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ball position. Ball position.
17 seconds, 17 seconds.
Oh, lupa.
Dalawa.
10. Yes, on Buko. 5 seconds. And now for second quarter score, 37-29. Al-Watba.
Legit pa yun, kuya? Pumasok pa yun? Sinabi na rin. Hindi kasi nagbalot eh.
Papalit pa kayo nung?
Boss, may plus ba ito, boss? May plus wala? Plus 5? Plus 5 kayo. Sila?
Plus 5 tayo, plus 5.
Plus
Ah, ang puno.
1, 2, 3.
42 to 13, 29. Score.
Huh? 265. Minus 50. They give me 50. Cheap. 215. 215.
Number 32.
Sabi ng court. Hindi na po yun.
Give me
Five
5.
taxi.
5.
32 to 42. Back to 10 point in Alwatba. Adi. Cadiz. Yes, on Cadiz. 34 to 42. Back to 8 point in on Alwatba.
Wala. Dito. Gamit ni, ikaw. Dito na lang. Dito na lang.
Just to share it. I give mine to me.
This is 76.
I give it to mine.
Tomorrow?
Because busy pa.
36. 36 to 42. 6 points down. Cadiz. Yes, on Cadiz. 38 to 42.
Yan so foul ha?
Steal again by Adi. Adi, coast to coast. Yes, on Adi. Time out! On Alwatba.
Good job, bro. Ganun pala video. Isa lang talaga.
Anong score?
Korte ko rito.
Nanalo ba?
Sa fourth quarter, dalawang time out nila.
Back to the ball game.
Sa fourth quarter.
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. 42 to 40. 2 points down Alwatba. 8 minutes 32 seconds. Our score 42 against 40. Perez, elbow jumper, favorite shot, short. Rebound on Tolentino. Out rebound on Tolentino. 8 minutes, 8 minutes.
Boss, wala mo pa lang third. Wala time out third.
Adi. Back to Cadiz, Adi. Nice pass onside. Turnover on Electra.
Isa na ba lang third? Ang fourth, no? Wala na sa third. Karon, foul mo, karon mag-foul mo ron, third mo ron.
In and out.
Third, napita ron.
Oliveros. 44 to 40, 4 points in now. Back to Alwatba. Adi.
Di ka na, sige.
Back to Cadiz, Cadiz. Oh, turnover. Turnover on Alwatba.
Sorry, sige dong. Huwag nangungutan ako dong.
Share. Share now. Looking for Teresa. Same spot. Favorite shot. In and out again. Adi rebound. Cadiz. Nice move. Too strong. Tolentino. Top Rugbyman. Nice pass coming from Tolentino to Rugbyman. 6 minutes 40 seconds. Share. Drive pass to Bragman. Short. Iba may Adi. Still bring up Bragman. Pass to Libero. Still on the what ba? On Electra. Calis now. It's 1-on-3. Calis fake. Calis drive. Goes to goal. On Calis. 42-46. 4-point lead on what ba? The running shot, Shell. Caris again. Yes, on Caris, 44-48. 4-point lead on Al-Watba. 5 minutes. Shell. Pereza, looking for Shell. In and out. Caris now. Strong. Black behind. To Tolentino. Steve. Substitution ref. Substitution 4 minutes 30 seconds. Our next game, Alcusay. Bang! On Balitan, 51-44. Back to 7-point lead on Alawatba. Adi, Tubuko. Short. Rebound on Umakog. Umakog now. Rolling Malaysian, traveling.
Dali, Anas. Sunari.
Oga! Oga!
Yes. On number 10. On Electra, 46-51. 5-point lead now on Alawatba. Balitan. To share drive to support. Oh, yes! On share. 53-46. Adi. Black by share. Balitan now. Stop back. Umakog. Umakog drive. Umakog attack. Short. Iba by Anas. Still by Pereza. Buko. Adi now.
Pag may dead ball, sir. Ha?
Balitaan to Pereza. Pick. Pass to Tolentino. Too strong. Lumabay. Umakog. Black behind. Tolentino now. To Anas.
Baba mo.
It's 2-1. Yes.
Laban, sir. Walang dead ball.
48-53. Back to 5-point lead on Alawatba. 2 minutes 20 seconds. Bang! Oh, chair! 48-56. 2 minutes. Back to 8-point lead on Alawatba.
Walang dead ball. Pag dead ball lang. Time out, Dog.
Time out.
Dead ball lang.
On Alawatba.
Sagit lang. Tingnan namin.
Wala palitan.
Boss,
Pasok.
Hindi ka ba nakapasok kanina?
Wait lang.
Hindi ka mapasok kanina. Hindi ka pwede palitan.
Sige.
Yan. Hindi ka pwede palitan muna, boss. Hindi palitan. Hindi ka pwede palitan. Tapusin mo muna. You need to finish it.
Our score 48-56. 8-point lead Alawatba. Adi. Bulbul. Rebound on Big Daddy. Big Daddy now, black behind kay Bugo. Anas. Anas Wadi. Adi drive, nice move by Adi. Short. Anas. Foul.
Number 1.
Foul on number 1 on Balitaan. First on Balitaan. First team foul. What ba? Our next game, Kaladia versus Alcosay. Tolentino to Balitaan. Balitaan, stop. Balitaan. Pass to Maup. Too strong. Rebound by Balitaan again. Balitaan, drive, scope, short. Black ball, 53 seconds. Steve. Yes, so shell, 58-48. Back to 10-point final. What ba? Bugo. Juliones, fake. Bugo again. Nice pass, nice defense by Tolentino. 10 to shoot.
Nice one.
Same ball, 24 seconds. Yes. Let's go. 15. Big Daddy. 16-48. 5 seconds. Steal. And number 13.
Yan yung score.
Boss. Gusto ko, dalawang time out lang po.
Electra tayo, Electra.
Wala lang yung team. Para makon.
16-48. 12-point lead. Ano what ba? Anas. Ellen. Yones. Pass to Bugo.
Yat.
62-48. 12-point lead on Alwat ba? Steal, Ellen. Oh, nice move! Yes, Cadiz! 50-60. 10-point lead Alwat ba? Wow! Turnover on Alwat ba? 9 minutes.
Huwag kayo makipag-drop paspasan! Balikan mo di, wala po yung di.
10 to shoot. Big Daddy.
Isilang! Bigyan mo na! Bilisan!
Sacro.
Bigay!
To Bertay. Steal again on Electra. Cadiz all alone. Yes, Cadiz. Time out. On Alwat ba? 52-60. 8-point lead down now on Electra. Inbounding on Aquino. Sacro. Pass to Balitaan. Balitaan to Balitaan. Bang! Oh, Balitaan! 63 to 52, 11 point lead now on Al Watba. Ali, Bugo, ball. Yes, on the left, 54 to 63. Back to 11 point lead Al Watba. Pelitan now, 10 to shoot. Mahog.
Wala! Wala!
Satu. Substitution rep, Sabrat. Ali. Steve, Bogo.
Nice one.
Foul.
Number 6.
Foul on number 6, Big Daddy.
Second team foul.
Second team foul on Watba.
Second foul, Big Daddy.
Second personal foul against Big Daddy. 63 to 54, 9 point lead against Al Watba.
Oh, dalawa.
Mukhang on Big Daddy.
Oh.
Pereza.
Rebound!
Rebound. Electra. Quali. To Caris. Yes, on Caris. 56 to 63. Back to 7 point lead on Al Watba. Our next game, Al Zai versus
Bakit bit na box na doon?
Yes on Big Daddy. 65 to 56. 9 point lead on Al Watba. 6 minutes.
Oh.
Ali, nice move. Set. Ellen, drive, stop, pump. Vladimir Pereza. Caris. Air ball. Ellen again. Whoa! Ellen! 65 to 58. 7 point lead on Al Watba.
Try na. Result time out, Gabon. Go.
Nice move. Umahog. Reigning MVP. Black Buko. Umahog again. Umahog. Stop, pump.
Oh.
Too strong. Upa ng Big Daddy. Black by Bugo. Black again by Electra. Adi. To Caris. To move. Steal at palitan. Caris again.
Foul. Number 1.
Foul on number 1 on palitan. Sa dito sa rep sa rep.
Uy, huwag ka mapipilayan, Diyos ko! Huwag ka mapipilayan, kuya.
Steal by Big Daddy.
Wala!
Short. Pereza. Yes! On Pereza. 67-58. Foul.
Number 6.
Foul on number 6 on Big Daddy.
13 foul.
Sabrep. Third personal foul on Big Daddy. 13 foul. Al Watba.
Oh, 2 foul. Karon. Pwede kang time out?
9 point lead on Al Watba. Basket time out. Tayo na pa. Basket time outs. Time out! On Electra. Back to the ball game. 8 point lead now by Al Watba. 67-59.
Boss, isa lang time out niyo. Isa lang time out niyo. Isa lang kayo doon.
Kuya, wala yan.
Fake. 40 to shoot.
Wala yan. Wala yan.
Rebound on Yones.
Baba na.
Steve, Garis. Yones. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Yones! 67 to 62. 5-point tinalo at ba? Sakro. 4 minutes.
Wala. Rebound.
Rebound Mayran. Luwari. Usrom. Rebound on Sakro. Guarded by Umakop now. Steal by Yones. Stop, pump. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Yones! 65 to 67. 2-point lead on Al-Watba.
Sabag ko, man. Pag-gidball lang, gidball. Pag-gidball.
Wala yan, kuya. Sabi ko sa inyo.
Sub, rep, sub, rep, sub.
Ilan na lang, kuya? Kuya, yun na lang limang.
Kamu kan ya. Paano sir? Pag-gidball lang sir. Pag-gidball sir ha. Huwag may foul. Nice.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On the line! Now 1-point lead on Electra. 68 to 67.
Kuya, wala yan.
Libur na.
Wala yan.
Yes, Sono Mako. 69 to 68. 1-point lead on Mako.
Wala gidball sir. Pag-gidball lang sir. Pag-gidball. Pag-gidball lang sir ha. Wala pag-gidball kasi. Sige po. Oh, ayun lang. Sa may gidball sir.
14 to shoot. Five.
Oh, sub.
Sub, rep, sub, sub, rep, sub.
Sub, sub.
Dalawa na lang. Isa na lang ba?
Okay, play.
2 minutes 16 seconds.
Oy, kuya, wala yan.
Shot. Iba na out. Steal by Shell. Yes, on Shell. 71 to 68. 3-point lead on Al-Watma. 1 minute 50 seconds. Eren.
Udi.
Oh, basket tactics. 71 on now. 71 on. 1 minute 30 seconds. Shell. Out. Ari. Let's go. And again. Shell. Umakot, drive, pass to Shell. Oh, you're out. 1 minute. Foul.
Palamer.
Foul on number 4, Letra. Sa dito sa tarif, sa rep.
First team foul.
First team foul on Electra.
Ogo, second foul.
Second personal foul against Bugo.
Shooter.
71 all. 71 all.
Kuya, wala yan, kuya. Oli ka.
Content. Tanda.
Kuya, wala yan. Mag-vision.
Sa 1.
72 to 21. 1 point lead on Al-Watba. Good. Traveling violation, 46 seconds, 46. Timeouts on Electra. Our score 72-71, 1 point lead on Al-Watba. 46 seconds. Share. 40 to shoot. Palitan to share. 10 to shoot.
Brian! Brian! Baba kayo, baba!
20 seconds. 15.
Sayo, sayo, sayo!
5 seconds. And ang mag-game our winner, Al-Watba. 70.